Hello friends, my name is Atul Gadam. This video is for 10th standard. Name of content is the trigonometric ratios. Given question is from R.D. Sharma. Page number 10.40. Example number 23. Read the question very carefully. Question number 23 is if each of alpha, beta and gamma is a positive acute angle, means the measure of alpha, measure of beta and measure of gamma are the acute angles, means their measures is less than 90 degree, that sine alpha plus beta plus minus gamma is equals to 1 by 2, cos beta plus gamma minus alpha that is equals to 1 by 2, and tan gamma plus alpha minus beta is equals to 1. Find the values of alpha, beta and gamma. Here three conditions are given. First condition with a sine ratio, second condition with a cos ratio, and third condition with a tan ratio. Then for writing the answer, at first making the three parts of the paper. In the first column, write the first condition, which is a sine in a bracket alpha plus beta minus gamma is equals to 1 by 2. In the second column, write second condition, which is a cos beta plus gamma minus alpha is equals to 1 by 2. And in the third column, write down tan alpha plus beta gamma plus alpha minus beta is equals to 1. Then observe the first column cleverly. Then our observation is sines which value is a 1 by 2. According to the table, observe the table and also given condition, sines which value is a 1 by 2. Then our observation is a sine 30 degree is a 1 by 2. Then observe my friend, cos which value is a 1 by 2. With the table, according to the table, cos 60 degree is equals to 1 by 2. So right here, but cos 60 is equals to 1 by 2. In the third column, tans which value is a 1? Right friends, tan 45 degree is equals to 1. Then right here, but tan 45 degree is equals to 1. Observe only first column here. The right side of the first one is a 1 by 2 and right side of second one is also 1 by 2, means right side of these two is the same. If right side is equal, then left side is also equal. Conclusion from 1 and 2 is sine alpha plus beta minus gamma is equals to sine 30 degree. Here sine are equal, therefore sines comparison with sine, so the alpha plus beta minus gamma that is equals to 30 degrees. Suppose this one is the first equation. For the second number column, here the right side of this one is a 1 by 2, right side of this one is also 1 by 2. Here the right side of these two is the same or equal. If the right side is equal, then left side is also equal. Therefore cos beta plus gamma minus alpha is equals to cos 60 degree. The comparison of cos with cos, therefore beta plus gamma minus alpha that is equals to 60 degree. This one is the equation number 2. Then observe the third column. In the third column, RHS is a 1, means RHS are equal. The conclusion from these two is tan in a bracket gamma plus alpha minus beta is equals to tan 45 degree. Here the comparison of tan with tan, therefore next one is a gamma plus alpha minus beta is equals to 45 degree. This one is the equation number 3, and we want to find alpha, beta and gamma. These are important step my friends. Here अगर आपको ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज का टेबल याद है तो ही ये तीन इक्वेशन आपको मिल सकते हैं. देन वी वांट टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ अल्फा, बीटा एंड गामा. आप यहाँ फर्स्ट इक्वेशन एंड सेकंड इक्वेशन का एडिशन कीजिए. एडिंग equation number 1 and equation number 2. The equation number 1 is alpha plus beta minus gamma, that is equals to 30 degree. Second equation is beta, which is a positive, taking below to the beta, alpha which is a minus, taking below to the alpha, and gamma, where is the gamma? Gamma is a positive, it is taking below to the gamma. This one is gamma, that is equals to 60 degree. Do the easy addition. What do you think here? Here positive alpha, negative alpha get cancel, negative gamma, positive gamma get cancel. What is remains? 1 beta plus 1 beta, 2 beta, that is equals to 30 plus 60, 90 degree. You know the meaning of 2 beta. The meaning of 2 beta is a 2 into beta, that is equals to 90 degree. So the beta is equals to 90 degree divided by 2. Then beta is equals to 90 degree by 2, 45 degree. Here the beta's value is 45 degree, which is less than 90 degree. And they said that alpha, beta and gamma are positive acute angle. This one is a positive value and which is less than 90. So beta's value is 45 degree. Then for finding next value, do the addition between 2 and 3. पहले हमने addition between 1 and 2 किया है. Then adding 2 and 3, adding 2, equation number 2 and equation number 3. What is equation number 2? Beta plus gamma minus alpha below to this one, taking third equation. First one is a positive gamma, below to the positive gamma, positive alpha below to the negative alpha, minus beta taking below to beta, means first equation's second equation's value is a 60 degree and the equation third's value is a 45 degree. Then do the simple addition. What is the simple addition? Here negative, positive beta get cancel, negative alpha, positive alpha get cancel. 1 gamma plus 1 gamma, that is a 2 gamma, is equals to 60 plus 45, that is 105 degree. You know the 2 gamma means 2 into gamma, that is equals to 105 degree. Multiplications 2 is transpose, gamma is equals to 105 degree divided by 2. Then gamma is equals to 52.5, that is in degree. This one is the value of gamma. Observe here 52.5 is less than 0 and which is a positive, and in the question condition is beta, alpha and gamma are the positive and acute angles. So our this value is also करेक्ट. पहले हमने क्या किया? एडिशन बिटवीन 1 एंड 2 किया है. सेकंड में क्या किया है? एडिशन बिटवीन 2 एंड 3 किया है. अब नेक्स्ट वन के लिए एडिंग 1 एंड 3. डू द एडिशन बिटवीन 1 एंड 3. एडिंग 1 एंड 3. Here first one is alpha plus beta minus gamma is equals to 30 degree, and third one is what? Third equation is positive gamma below to the gamma. So this one is gamma, positive gamma, alpha positive, positive alpha, minus beta below to beta, that is equals to 45 degree. Means here taking like terms one below another. इसे कहेंगे like terms are taking one below another. Here positive beta, negative beta get cancel. negative gamma, positive gamma get cancel, 1 alpha plus 1 alpha, 2 alpha, and their addition is equals to 75 degree. You know the meaning of 2 alpha. The meaning of 2 alpha is 2 into alpha, 2 into alpha, that is equals to 75 degree. Multiplications 2 is transpose alpha is equals to 75 degree divided by 2. Then alpha is equals to half of 75 is 37.5, that is in degree, which is a positive, and less than 90 means acute angle. Here the value of alpha, beta and gamma, the value of alpha, beta and gamma are positive and which are less than 90 degree. So our answer is correct. Is that clear, my friends? This video minimum watch it 2 or 3 times. Thank you friends. Bye. Take care.